quiet tone, a stranger's grief, but somehow my own. Your trombone resting golden warm, like a voice that waited to be reborn. They spoke your name like I should know, all the places I never got to go. A lifetime lived just out of view, still somehow leading me to you. Then through the silence, soft and slow, a melody began to flow. The song you wrote but never played, your serenade for Marie remained. And it filled the distance between what we were. Every note reaching for something unsure, not a memory, not quite a goodbye, just a truth neither of us could deny. I never knew your favorite tune, or how you sounded in an empty room, but in that brass in every breath, you spoke to me through time and death. The final note hung in the air, like something unfinished somewhere, and I stood still, unsure what I'd lost, grieving a love I never got. But the world kept turning, like it always does, even for stories that never were. So I stepped outside where the night began, with your song still held in these empty hands. Now I'm riding that night train home, for the past I've never known. Your melody in steel and stone, a voice that found me on its own. The rhythm hums like a distant truth, a borrowed echo of your youth, and every mile feels bittersweet, like learning you in retreat. I hear you in the silence between each passing light, in the spaces where a stranger stops it softly wherever you are, through the smoke of some late night bar. And if there's a place we're lost